My Mercedes is cheaper than your bike.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a nice sunny day. Changed up the bike a little bit, changed my bars and the seat, decided to go for a rip. Just kidding, sucker. This is not my bike. This is a new build. This is going to a customer. Where's it going to, Eli?
Around the New York area.
This is going to New York area. My bike's right over there. I'm gonna get Eli to describe it. So Eli, take it away.
Here it is, the Joker. So I guess we'll first off start off with the color. This color is super wild. It's got a chrome base in it, so the green came out more chromey than the Big Ben bike, which is over there. We'll show you some comparisons later. Another cool thing is the rims. It's chameleon prismatic powders. This is really cool when it rotates. It goes like blue to purplish, lots of sparkle. You can see the custom valve cups. This bike's got 100mm wide rims, front and back. It's got staggered fitment, 26-inch in the front, 24-inch in the rear. And up front we're running the FH212, the high speed wind with the 220mm disc brakes, 4-piston calipers. Of course, running regenerative braking. Activated by the brake handle up here, like normal. All the wires are tucked. It's got the 1200 lumen headlamp mounted up to the forks. Custom end stop steering mounts for better control. And down here, powering the Phase Runner motor controller at 2400 watts. This bike does a top speed of about 75 kilometers per hour, powered by the 20 amp hour 52 volt battery mounted up here. Some custom mounts that I've made up to convert the tubular shape to the bottom of the base of the battery to ensure proper mounting and without it touching the frame at all. Then we've got large sprocket up front here. We've got the 60 tooth, and on the rear we're running 22 with also Sturmey Archer 2-speed hub with coaster brake in the back. And as I said, you know, the back rim is 24, front is 26, so you'll get that cool look. It actually feels pretty cool to ride, especially when you kind of make or initiate corners and stuff. It gives a really nice feeling to it. Very smooth, these bikes. This frame is one of the lightest, so obviously it goes a little bit faster, but also did some extra programming on it to give it a little more juice. But on this side we've got the custom brake light that's activated when you slow down. It gets brighter, keep you guys safe. Some spiky pedals, leather comfy hand grips, and this seat is actually on here just for now. We're just awaiting some Brooks seats. They're really hard to get right now because of the COVID stuff and whatnot, but it's on its way. This bike is going to be shipped off to the New York area in the United States to Tim, and thank you very much, Tim, for letting me build this super cool bike, the Joker. This is the Joker.
Huh? The Joker?
It's called the Joker.
Oh, the bike. The Joker bike.
Yeah, I'm just doing some videos for YouTube right now.
Yeah, it's going to.
Well, if you want the Joker, here, get this guy's leg in there.
I've just seen that actually. When
You get that leg in there, yeah, might as well.
No,
Shit.
get him on the bike.
Yeah, stand.
Get on the bike. Yeah, Joker. Get on the bike. Get his
You sit
leg.
on it if you want to sit on it.
Sit on it.
Sit on
Sit
it.
on it, man. Right, there you go. Now you got his leg in there. There you
Look
go.
at that, how perfect is that? Everything always just works though.
That's wicked, dude.
Sick.
So I brought Big Ben and the Joker here together. I wanted to show you guys a couple differences. There's a lot of people messaged me about seating position and frame setups and wheel diameters and all this stuff, which I totally don't mind answering, but I thought I'd show you guys. It's pretty cool because we have both bikes. They're almost the same color. And so this one is the HC version, where you can see the back wheel distance between the dropout frame comes like that, And on Big Ben, you can see, holy cow, there's a massive gap in here for the large rim on this bike, which is 150 millimeters. They actually have the same size tires too. The rim is a different size, like I was saying, 150 mil on the left, 100 mil on the right, but same tire. You can see how wide that one looks, how narrow that one looks. Remember, same size tire, right? So you can make the bike look quite different just by little alterations on the bike. Same up front, same tire, right? Same tire, same size rim actually, right? Just he has the 360 brake and this has the normal setup. Small aggressive headlight, larger cruiser style big light. Springer fork front end, that's the Demon fork from Italy. Up here, solid fork from Italy. So lots of similarities, but again, you're making the bike look quite different, right? Up top, look at the bars. These ones come up. These ones straighten, come down a bit. More aggressive seating position. It's how you like it. That's how we build it, right? If it doesn't fit you, you're not going to ride it. So I build it so it's perfect for you. With all your measurements and your weight, I can make it virtually super close to where you want it. And all you have to do is loosen up a couple screws up front, adjust the bar a tiny bit, put your seat up and down a tiny bit, and you're riding instantly within 5 minutes of unboxing the bike. Very cool. You know, this one has like soft tail style, this one's like hard tail style, right? More comfort up front, more aggressive, right? Takes up the bumps a bit better. This one, you're sitting in a more cruising position. I'm gonna get Benson probably to sit on, we're gonna do a quick little picture and I'm gonna get him to sit on both bikes sideways so you guys can see the seating positions with him on it, because you always see the Big Ben bike in the videos. Everybody's asking about seating positions and this hurts, you know, the seats, this and that, whatever, but it's not actually. You know, every bike is custom tailored to the person, so that's what he wants. This is what Tim wants, you know what I mean? So that's how you make it nice. You always ride your bike like that. Okay, if you guys have any questions about any parts or electric systems or anything like that, you can hit me up. Contacts on my website, eastvanchopcycle.com. If you own one of these frame styles, obviously you know what these are, right? If you own these ones and you need any parts, we make custom torque mount plates with built-in caliper mount, custom battery mounts for all these frames, okay? Custom headlights, anything you need, let us know. Let's do a quick comparison seating position shot with Ben on there. So there's the Joker seating position. Now here's the Big Ben position.
Okay, Tim, I hope you enjoy your bike, and everyone watching, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna do some cinematics for you in 1, 2, 3.